Ready? Start. Learned Counsel for the appellant, Sri R.C. Sharma, in his oral and written argument has emphasized that the tractor in question was not insured on the relevant date, that is 26th October 1993, when the accident in question took place, wherein the deceased, Mahendra and Raju suffered injuries and succumbed to death. Stop. He further elaborated his argument by saying that the insurance coverage by the National Insurance Company Limited was effective from 1st November 1993 to 31/10/1994, whereas the accident took place on 26th October 1993. Stop. In the course of the argument, he further asserts that before the accident, earlier policy of insurance coverage was effective from 30/9/1992 to 29/9/1993, which was lapsed on 29/9/1993. Stop stanza. Learned Counsel argues that prior to and after the date of accident, during the period from 30/9/1992 up to 29/9/1993, and then from 1st November 1993 up to 31st October 1994, the offending tractor was insured by the same insurer, the National Insurance Company Limited. There was a gap period between these two effective periods of the insurance coverage from 30 September 1993 to 31st October 1993, during which on 26 October 1993 the accident took place. Stop. On this ground, Learned Counsel for the appellant argues that National Insurance Company is not responsible to pay any amount of compensation to the claimant, as there was no contract of insurance with the owners of the offending vehicle, existing in respect of any risk in use of the same. Stop stanza. Learned Counsel quoted Section 6(VB) of the Insurance Act 1938, which provides that no insurer shall assume any risk till the premium is received in advance. Stop. In other words, the insurance cover becomes available only on payment of premium, and in the present case, premium was paid on 1st November 1993, 5 days after the accident. Stop. Learned Counsel for the appellant has relied on the case laws New India Insurance Company Limited versus Srimati Sita Bai and others reported in 2000 (1 TAC 3 (SC), and another case law New India Assurance Company Limited versus Bhagavati Devi and others. Stop. Reported in 1999 (2 TAC 441 (SC). Stop stanza. Learned Counsel Sri Tushar Gupta, on behalf of respondent number 1, claimant of the claim petition, argued that the award is of 16 years old, but no fruits are repaid till now for the claim petitioner who has sustained an irreparable loss by losing his young son in the incident which occurred due to rash and negligent driving by the drivers of the vehicles, namely bus and tractor stop. Both the vehicles are responsible and as such their insurers too are responsible to pay compensation because of their being under the contract of insurance coverage. Stop over.